Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. In this video, I will show you how to implement a Seekbar to manage your audio file. For example, to manage the current volume, to change it, decrease it, or increase it. And the second thing is how to change the position of your audio file with the Seekbar. So let's start. The first thing, I will use the Seekbar component like this. Quickly, I have information. I have recorded this video, part of this video before this, and I have no space in my drive, and I lost all the record only for this video, of course. So I make it again. So here, seek one, like this, and the first thing that will show you how to use the Seekbar without audio file. Okay, to understand how to use it. So let's start. In the main activity, I will use the Seekbar. Seek1 equal find view by id seek1. Okay. The second thing, here I will use the method, of course, how to get the position of my Seekbar, how to manage this. For this, I will use a listener associated with Seekbar. What is a listener? A listener is something that listen the component. As what is, for example, here we have Seekbar, we have a button, we have image, what you want. It is associated with component, and it wait any event from this component. For example, here I will use the listener when the progress change, when the Seekbar change, then something I will found method like this, seek1 dot, as you can see, set on Seekbar change listener. Here is the listener that I will need. So now I will implement argument on Seekbar listener, and look what I have got. I have got a method that exists. I don't create this method. As you can see, it automatically appears. Why? Because we have this keyword override. Override is a Java keyword that is associated to implement a method that exists in the interface. For example, on Seekbar change listener, this one is an interface. You can see it. Interface. We see this in Java course. And the method exists in this interface. We don't create it again. We implement it. That means we use our own code only in this method. If another person wants to use this method, he just make this this code, override on progress change, and he implement his own method also. So override is to create or to implement our own method. Don't create the method on progress change. Okay, make the difference, please. So here we have three methods. We will use this one on progress change, that the event associated of the update of Seekbar, and we have these two ones also. Start tracking touch is one to start to move, and also one to stop to move Seekbar. So here I will log the position of my Seekbar like this. Log behind. It's very simple. Seekbar position, and here I just put progress. It's current position of the Seekbar. So I have an error. Why? Because progress is an integer, so I will change it to string like this, integer dot to string. Oops, progress. So now let's see what is the result. Okay, look now. Oops, as you can see, I have the position of the Seekbar. Do you see here? Do you see? And it begins from 0, and the last one is 100 by default. Okay, so we have the Seekbar. Now I will add the volume to the Seekbar. It means when I move my Seekbar, I increase or decrease the volume for the audio file or the of my system, of my device. So to make this, I just implement here audio manager. Audio manager, and to use it, here I will call it audio manager is get system service, and here I will use, I have put all this one here, sorry, this constant context.audio service. Okay, so let's put it context dot audio service. I have an error. Why? Because I think yes, returned is an object, so I will cast it to audio manager. Good. Now I want to retrieve two values from this audio manager. I will retrieve the maximum volume of my device. The second thing, the current volume of my device. How to make it? Like this. It's very easy. So int max volume is audio manager dot get stream. Yes, I have the IP stream max volume. Okay, and here I will use, I think it's system. What is the variable? Not system. I think it's I forgot the content. Is audio manager dot stream music. Audio manager dot stream music. Audio manager dot stream music. The same thing for the current volume. Current volume is audio manager dot get stream volume directly without a max, and the same thing, the same constant is audio manager for stream music. Here I will get the maximum volume of my device, what is the max volume, and also the current volume. So now what can I make? What can I make now? Is the on progress change here. I will make the position with the audio manager. Okay, so where is it? Where is it? Yes, I will remove this one, and here I will make seek one dot set. What is the method? Seek one. What is the method? Progress, I think. No. No, it is not progress. I'm sorry, it is not seek one. Sorry, it is audio manager. It's to manage audio. Yes, because you change audio, not the current file position. Set stream volume, and here stream type is normally audio manager stream music, and here we give him the progress, and here 0 is by user. So let's see the result. So I will start to play. Oops. What is it? File inception. Why? What is the problem? Media player on the start play start. Why? I remove the. Oh shit! I don't have it. I don't have it. I remove the code associated with media player. Oi, 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 oi. I remove it. So I will make it again. Is if you remember, media equal. I will get it from here directly from my slide. Here is it. Media player dot create. I will copy it very quick. And here it is in France. Yes. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. So let's see now. I think it's okay. Let's see. Do you see? I increase the volume and I decrease it. Good. Good. So now I will give you a challenge. Is to implement second Seekbar. With the second Seekbar, you will manage the position of your audio file. What does it mean? For example, you have an audio file. The longer of the audio is 2 minutes. When you position your Seekbar in the middle, your audio file will move to 1 minute directly. It will start to 1 minute. Okay? So I will give you some time to make it, for example, 30 seconds, and I will show you how to manage this. Hi, let's start. See my dots. So let's manage this. I will create the second Seekbar. Again. Okay, no problem. Here, I will just call it Seek2, and I will manage it like this one. It's very simple. So I will make the same thing. I don't copy paste, but I will create it again. I know it's very long, but I will make it for you. Seek2 is find view l.id.seek2. So let's manage listener for this one. Seek2 set on, and here new Seekbar listener, and as you can see, I have directly here this one. And now, what I can make here, I will associate the volume, the Seekbar, the maximum position of the Seekbar with the length of your audio file. How to make it? It's just like this: seek2 set. Is there a max? Yes, I have max. And here I will give him. What is the problem? Okay, 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 no problemo. So I will just move this one here. And let's see. Okay. And here I will give him the length of my audio file. How to get it? My audio file, what is the variable is media. Media dot get duration. Okay, for example, if I have 2 minutes, the last position of my Seekbar was until 2 minutes, just what I want to do. So now, what I will do, it is not to change my Seekbar manually. No, what I want is when I play my audio file, the Seekbar change automatically. You have a lot of alternatives to implement this, but I will use new thing that I will show you. I will use a timer. Okay, so to use a timer, I put like this: new timer. Where is it? Timer. Yes, how it is. And here is to make the schedule. I will explain you what I will do. Schedule at fixed rate. Okay, and here I will create new task. New timer task. Yes. After this, I will add the parameter 0 and, for example, 1. What I do here? Here I will create a task that will be run automatically. This task will run each 1 second. What does it mean here? 1000. I can create it for each 2 seconds. This task, for example, I will log this task, will log variable my name, for example, log.I task. Here I just put my name. Okay. Here each 2 seconds I will show in the log my name each 2 seconds. Okay, and this task begin directly when application start, because this parameter delay 0, it means when your task will start the first time. Okay, so you can make it, for example, after 1 minute is what you want. So here what I will do, I will update my Seekbar, the position of the Seekbar with the current position of my audio file. How to make it is like this: seek2.set progress, and here I will give him my audio. What is the audio? Media. Okay, media dot get current position, and look now the result. Look after the second. Look up. So here I just want to start to listen very well, and look. Do you look? How it moves automatically. Okay, let's see now when I decrease it to to 200 milliseconds. What I got. You will see the Seekbar will move very quick. Look, I will increase the sound, the volume, so we don't listen anything. Look, tick, 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 tick. It's very quick. Do you see? Because the audio file is very long. It's good. So, what can I make also? No, okay. Stop it. What can I make also? Is, for example, here is to move the audio file to the progress directly. So how to make it? Like this one is media is media. How to call it? Media or audio? I always want media. Okay, media dot seek to, and here I give him progress. Okay, so I can put it here, or for example here. So let's see now. I have an error. No, it's before this. No, I don't have error because it's before. So let's see. Do you see? Look, I will start again. You see the position is changed. Or I will change it to see the difference. That's tough. So I will change it. I will remove this one. I will remove the timer. And look now. Look. To see very easy difference. So let's start. And have nothing. Look now. Do you see? I have changed the position manually. Up until the end. Okay? That's good. That's very good. That's very good. So now I think I have finished this course about how to use Seekbar. I hope that you have understand. I know it's very long, and as you can see, I take note to show you step by step how to implement it. I don't want to forget anything how to implement component. The most important thing to implement how to use any component. As you can see, I have always my notes here. Always I put my notes. It's very important to make it for you, is to make what you want to achieve. Do it always. Don't forget this. And I see you for next video, inshallah, to see a new thing. I think it's about grid layout. So goodbye, brother and sister. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.